Okay. All right, so on to a present value problem. Number 18. R is equal to 6.5%. Big R is $1,856.82, and T is 30. Oh, and in the instructions, okay, it says payments made and interest charged 12 times per year, so K is 12. I was like, we're missing a piece of information here that's very critical. Okay, so I'm going to write down the formula, and then we'll find the I and the N, just since it was yesterday when we did this. So PV is equal to R times 1 minus, parentheses, 1 plus I raised to the negative N, all over I.
Oh.
All right, so...
I love when you do it. Oh?
All right, so how do I find I?
I is R over K, right?
Yep.
Still writing the formula.
R over K, 0.065 over 12.
Yep.
Oh, it's little r over k. Okay, that makes more sense. My calculator is about to die, so
Your calculator?
yeah. Speaking of, where's the basket?
0.005.
It's at home because I had to bring in all this stuff for my basketball party today, so I didn't have hands, and I was very late leaving the house this morning.
N equals T times K, which would be 30 times 12, which would be 360.
Beautiful. Okay, so then plugging everything in now, we have $1,856.82 times 1 minus, parentheses, 1 plus 0.005 raised to the negative 360, all over 0.005.
Wait, why did you do n equals tk? I forgot what that
It's just a formula. N is equal to T times K.
Duh. Sorry.
Calculator's not. Oh, no,
I'm so
never mind.
stupid.
I got a negative number.
It shouldn't be negative.
I got a really, really, really big number. Okay. 309,702.01. Imagine how much.
Money.
I'm trying to write a P and I keep writing an R. There we go. Money.
We're looking for just because that's on the board.
Money.
They probably ask your 5,000 times what money was for.
And then she would laugh every single time.
And then I'd be like, have you ever seen Austin
Who's
Powers?
freshman homecoming board?
Ava and
Ava and-
Joey.
Households will always be popularity. Always.
At least our class changes it up.
Yeah.
It's a big
That is
mess.
true.
More sophomores.
I'm gonna
But
say, I
also-
do have to say that our class has been good about mixing it up.
Yeah. Also, the sophomores, none of them want to do it. I was talking to Emily about it this morning. She was like, no one wants to do it.
I don't understand. Yeah, I don't understand.
Oh,
I
they
don't
was really
understand that
funny.
either.
But Josh was
I
like,
love
who
the
was on the
other
court
people.
last year? It was like Maddie and Chase. He was like, why did Maddie not want to do it this year? I was like, we just choose different people.
You don't really want the same person doing it every time.
Do y'all want the entire problem right now for the word problems, or do you just want me to tell you what the number is, and then we'll just write down important information?
You can just tell us I don't
Whatever, I don't
yeah.
care.
I think you
Okay.
can just tell us
Whatever's
the important
easier.
Okay.
information.
Well, the next problem's about Joelle. That actually has her name in the problem.
Oh,
Yeah.
That's a first.
That's creepy.
It says if Joelle invests $8,000 into a retirement account with a 9% interest rate compounded monthly, how long will it take until the single payment has grown in her account to $16,000?
See, what I want to know is why she's retiring when she doesn't even have a job.
Hey, but I'll be retiring.
It's not
with
retiring,
$16,000.
it's
You're saving. for
saving for retirement.
Well, she still doesn't have a job yet.
Yeah.
Well, maybe she came into some money on a game show or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Family Feud.
Yeah.
No, I'm not smart enough.
All right.
Pretty dumb.
So this
My mind is blown right now. My name has never been in that problem before.
All right, so the amount that we're looking for, okay, A is $16,000. That's the goal amount of money.
Oh.
Taylor, you're supposed to-
The principal amount that we start with is $8,000.
So, Ariel will say money first, then I'll say money, and then Taylor will say money. So it'll go
Money.
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 Yeah.
Oh no.
All right, little r, it says a 9% interest rate. So what is r then? All right, it is compounded monthly. So what is k?
Monthly is
Mine's monthly. 12.
12. And then it wants to know how long it will take to get this. So we're looking for t.
Oh no.
It's okay, Taylor. Yesterday I was in Bible study and my brain had not caught up with like the words on the paper, so I couldn't figure out how to say Syrian. And I literally was sitting there and I kept trying to say it and it was just not coming out right. And finally, I think it was either Joel
it
or
was like
Alyssa
Syrian. You were like Syrian?
Yeah.
Syrian? I was like, girl.
Is it that A equals P? A equals per?
No.
No. It's not.
interest compounded K times per year. Interest? The
It's-
principal.
Okay, that's the formula.
That's the title for the formula that we're supposed to use.
How do you
So
know?
It's A equals P times 1 plus R over K to the KT.
So it's a lot of knowing what pieces you're given and then seeing what it's asking you for.
You like chemistry. We're doing something similar to chemistry.
Yeah, for the record, I could not finish the review last night.
I'm actually scared for the review because I really don't know anything this chapter. And I'm gonna look
I
stupid
realized
when she
that.
asks me for an answer, and I'm gonna be like,
Yeah, there were two of them. I
I don't
literally
know.
just said, question mark, not even trying. I don't know.
Okay, it would be 16,000 equals 8,000 times 1 plus 0.09 over 12. In parentheses, yep, 12 times 12t.
All right, so how would we go about solving this? I've got to get t by itself.
So divide by 8,000.
So 2 is equal to 1 plus 0.09 over 12 to the 12t.
why did I write 8,000? I cannot with myself. Anyways.
So I am going to need to flip this ultimately, so I'm going to go ahead and move this equals 2 to the other side, okay, because I need to figure out what this is. So using the thing, I'm going to have to do it. But
to leave too?
Then you would add the
9.
parentheses
Nine.
together.
Well, I have to be there by 9, so
So, no, not my answer.
slightly earlier than. Wait, what are we doing? I'm trying to find 1 plus the.
1.0075.
all right, all raised to the 12t is equal to 2. So now, if I want to solve for this, what do I need to do?
L.
Okay,
L. Oh. I see.
so log base 1.0075 of 2 is equal to 12t. And if you want, you can go ahead and write divided by 12 over here. So remember, you need to use the log base and your calculator to do this one.
Oh, yeah, this is kind of an off-topic question. No, it's definitely off-topic. When I take pictures for yearbook today,
I'm going to have you go on one side and I'm going to go on the other. We're going to sit up in the front row, not the very front, but like the front senior row on the ends.
oh, you're talking about homecoming?
7.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that works too. But I'm glad you said that because that would have been.
Sorry, I thought I was going to talk to you about that. I
No,
just
you're
thought
fine.
you assumed. What'd you say?
3.
Yeah, but when I take pictures for like the elementary kids, do you like? Cause I've been doing it in groups because like obviously you don't like if it's wacky faculty, there's like a ton of people dressed up. But like, do you want me to take like individual pictures?
I would do individual groups of who they're with, yeah.
Okay.
Because we'll have a lot of little spots that need to be filled with that.
Okay.
So,
Don't worry, when I change, you can get one of me and Joel wearing the exact same shirt. We made sure it was
Your
the
makeup
exact
looks
same.
really good.
Thank you.
all right. So I'm okay with you leaving your answer like this. They will convert the 0.7 years to months.
Why?
They just do because they're like, what's 0.7 of a year? I'm like, well, if I'm going to solve it, you can too. So I'm okay with you just leaving your answer here. So, all right. Let's see.
We have one more, right?
2 more.
There's a lot of examples for this section.
All right, 28. The president of the bank has 18 million in his investment portfolio that he wants to grow to 25 million in 8 years. What interest rate compounded annually does he need for this investment? Okay? So the key for this one is it says compounded annually. We actually have a formula for that, right?
Yeah.
So, where is it? My papers.
That's continuing, not annual.
Well,
The first one, interest compounded annually.
Yeah.
A
A
equals
equals
P 1 plus times 1 plus R raised to the n. And your n plus t.
yeah, that's the one I need. Hold on.
Every single day, my alarm goes off, and I do the math to see if I can get ready later. Like,
That's
in a
what I did
shorter amount of
too.
time. Like today, I was originally gonna wake up at 6:40, and I was like, I think I could wake up at 7. And so then I woke up.
I do that too every morning. I'm like, well, that would give me this.
But by the
much
time that
to
I'm
get
done
ready.
doing all the math, it's like I might as well just wake up. Anyways, I don't know why I was.
Well, I do that too.
No, this morning I was like having a panic attack last night because I did not feel good and I did not want to take a shower. So it sounds so bad. But anyways, so I just wanted to go straight to bed because I'd already taken stuff to make me sleepy. And then this morning I was like, oh no, what if I don't wake up on time? So I was like stressing about it. So I kept waking up in the middle of the night, but I woke up on time. So everything's fine.
That person has a lot of money.
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 Money. Oh man.
Yeah.
Money. You already said
Money.
money.
Okay, so
Pig. Me cow.
with this one,
Pig.
we can do this technically with either formula, the A equals P times 1 plus R to the N, or we can use the A equals P e to the RT. We have information that will work for either one. So, technically the one for compounded, oh wait,
It says compounded annually.
never mind. I am not looking. I covered up the C and was like annually anyways. Okay, yeah, never mind. We're going to use the other one. Ignore what I just said. I can't read.
Talk.
I was like, yeah, that'll work the same way. No, it won't. Hello. Okay.
I
So-
love you, Gabriel.
A equals P times 1 plus R to the N, or, well, T in our case, I guess, technically. I don't really know why some of them are N and some of them are T. It doesn't really matter as long as you know what it is, so.
So 25 million equals 18 million.
Too many.
Oh, that's
Too many
like
zeros.
3 less that was yours. Okay, 1 plus R to the 8. So you divide by 18 million.
Yep. And I'm going to go ahead and put the 1 plus R, like, on the left, so when I get the 25 million divided by 18 million, I'll put it on the right, just for the sake of solving.
1.38.
Not that. Oh well, this one it doesn't really matter, but I like the variable on the left. So
1.39.
Yeah.
okay. So then I want to get r by itself. So what do I do?
Please hold.
Mm.
Take the square root of? No, that's so stupid.
You
That was
could
literally
do
the dumbest thing
L.
L?
I don't know.
E.
I don't know.
If I just told you like x squared was equal to 4, how would you get x by itself?
Would you take the 8th root of it or something?
Yes, so I'm going to take the 8th root of it. So 1 plus r is equal to the 8th root of 1.39.
I can't believe I just told you to take the square root. That was so stupid.
I mean, the principle behind it
Yeah,
was
I was
right.
about to say, it made sense, just the distribution of it.
How do you do that?
This happens regularly. It's a problem. What?
How do you do that?
So on your calculator under math, if you arrow down, there's one that is a radical, and then you'll see a little box there.
Oh.
You'll fill in the
my gosh,
box.
that's so
It's
cool.
just a little box.
Little box there.
1.04.
How was your dinner date?
Oh, great.
If you subtract 1, you have 0.04.
Nice. Oh, but then don't you have to make it a percent? So R equals 4%.
4%.
How do you
Could
get
be.
the root of 8? Wait, yes. Square root.
Guys, it would have taken me.
So go under math on that left-hand side, and then it should be one of the arrows down. There's one that has like a 3 with a radical, and then there should be one, I think it's under it, that has like a box with a radical.
Oh, I see.
And then you'll click that, and then you can fill in the box with whatever root you need to take.
All right.
Maybe I go to the
I
restaurant.
would have taken me 7
I
years.
don't really want to miss
make
the next one, but I'll just copy it down
$16,000.
super fast.
Please don't run. I really am afraid that you're gonna.
Oh, I'm really afraid I'll trip too. Because I already almost died walking here, so.
Nice.
Where was Christopher Newport University in school?
Stuff that we don't do anymore.
Nice.
They haven't done that. We didn't even do those when I was in high school. It's, yeah.
Beautiful.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna watch.
54. Okay. House mortgage payment. Roberta obtains a 25-year, $100,000 house loan with an APR of 9.25% from NBD Bank. What is her monthly payment? So the present value is $100,000. The APR, which is just like I think it's called the annual percentage rate or something like that. I can't remember exactly, but something along those lines. Anyways, it's 9.25%, so R is equal to 0.0925. It's a 25-year loan, so T is equal to 25. And we want to know what her monthly payment is, so K is equal to 12. And so we're trying to figure out R, which is going to be her monthly payment. So the present value formula, PV is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I to the negative N, all over I. That was really fast.
I don't want to miss all of that.
That was just like impressively fast.
I is equal to R over K, which would be 0.0925 over 12. And N is equal to K times T, which is 25 times 12. I don't know why I started one and then didn't finish it.
Something
anyways.
just...
That was my iPad.
Oh, okay. I was just going to say, I don't care. I just don't want you to get in trouble somewhere else.
Yeah, that was my iPad.
Okay,
but I
so
don't know how to
I
turn
is
it off.
equal to 0.008. And then 300.
All right, we're almost done with this problem, and then y'all can go. All right, so present value 100,000. r times 1 minus, parentheses 1 plus, I is 0.008, raised to the negative 300, all over 0.008. Oh, I would probably say solve whatever this is over here.
So, well, I don't have time to plug it in my calculator, so please be right.
Let's hope that I get it right. Oh wait, hold on.
Mine's
I
dead.
had to-
I was like praying during the chemistry quiz yesterday that it wasn't gonna die on me. It didn't.
Oh wait, no, it's 1 minus 1.
What is the object of the pig game? Are you supposed to have 0 or not 0?
Not 0.
So
It's a raise to 100.
It's what?
It's a race to 100.
Oh, I see. So if
I
you
lost.
if you go over, is that bad or no?
Technically, you're not supposed to go over, but anyway, it was,
It was funny.
well, it doesn't, the rules don't technically say something about going over, but, well, usually when I play, you can't go over.
I got
Joelle,
one
did you
right.
get a number?
Yes, I got 113.86.
Just for this number, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Come in.
Taylor and Chase probably should go. There's homecoming people going to the chapel.
Yeah, we're literally just finishing this right now.
God, every time she opens the door, I think it's like small and like hiding
No,
my
it
copy.
113.6. Wait, is that the answer that you got? Because I got 113.551.
No, I don't know. I don't have this
Yeah,
done. I did it a different.
113.551.
Okay. So that's times, so we're going to divide by that. So do 100,000 divided by that answer.
$880.66.
Also, just so you know, like when you're checking your answers in the book, their answers may be a couple dollars off from yours because of rounding issues. I'm going to go ahead and put the problems up here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let tomorrow be a work day for this stuff,
Thank you.
but I want to put up the problems. All right, 1 through 11 odd.
We all know I think it's harder to get places anyway. Chase, do you have a key card?
Yeah.
15, 17, 19, 21, 27, and 51.